Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Gresham. Just wanted to go over some of the strategies that could have been used to solve our word problem for the day. So I'm just going to review the problem with you and model two different strategies up here that you could have used and hopefully you did use to complete your word problem. So here was our word problem. It says there were 4 kids riding on the bus. The bus stopped and 5 more kids got on the bus. How many kids are on the bus all together? Well, first thing I got to do is figure out what this problem is asking me. It's asking me to figure out how many kids are on the bus all together. So I think in order to solve this problem, I'm going to have to do addition, right? I'm going to have to add. I'm going to have to take 2 groups or 2 sets and put them together to find out how many there are in all. Okay? So in some of these, there were important numbers in there. And I heard the number 4. Sorry, that was my dog. I heard the number 4 because there were 4 kids on the bus already. And then the bus stopped and 5 more kids got on. So let's see if we can, I'm going to model some of the ways. So one of the ways is we're going to draw a picture. Okay, so if I want to draw a picture, in my classroom we just use dots. We don't really draw elaborate pictures because we really just want to know, can you get the right answer? So I know that at first there were 4 kids on the bus. So here are my 4 dots. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then the bus stopped and 5 more kids got on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we like to go back and double check and make sure that we put the right number, the right quantity there. Because if we don't have the right quantity, then we're not going to get the right answer. So here's my group of 4 and then here's my group of 5. And now I need to put them together to figure out how many there are in all. So one strategy I could do is just count each dot. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 would be my answer, or 9 would be my sum. Okay? So if you got 9, you got it correct. But another way that might be more efficient or more effective for you to use and to be thinking really like a first grader is to count on. So I like to get the larger amount in my head, and that is this group of 5. So here I have 5, so I'm going to get 5 in my head, and then I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good, so 9 is the answer. So our number sentence would be 4 plus 5 equals 9. Awesome, okay? And one more strategy that we like to use is we like to make a 10 frame. And in order to make a 10 frame, you make a rectangle, 2 sides that are short and 2 sides that are long. And then we draw a line in the middle from the left to the right. And then we draw 4 lines from the top to the bottom. 2, 3, and 4. And then I have a 10 frame. 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So again, the word problem said 4 kids were on the bus. So I'm going to put 4 kids on the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the bus stopped and 5 more kids got on the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I can look at this with my eyes and I know what the answer is. I know that the answer is 9 because all but one box is full. And if all but one box is full, then that means the answer is 9 but I also can count each one just like we did up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I could also count on again where I get 5 in my head. I start with 5 and then I count on 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if you got 9, then you got the correct answer. And this number sentence is the same. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So here are two strategies that you can practice and use when you are working on your word problems. Great job, boys and girls.